Hello everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel Corruption. My name is Christopher. I also go by Corrupt or Corrupt Cosplay. Today we're going to be opening up some Pokemon cards. We have come across a Vivid Voltage Elite Trainer box, and we also have an Elite Trainer box of the Champion's Path that we're going to be opening. And I ended up finding one of the Orbital boxes, which I was under the impression had 4 Vivid Voltage packs in it, but behind the 2 in the front, there ended up being 2 different ones. So we actually have a Sun and Moon Burning Shadows, and we also have a Sword and Shield Darkness Ablaze. So we're going to be opening those up too. I've only literally opened up one of these ones before, Darkness Ablaze before, and I don't know if I'm sure I've. We'll see. Maybe I'll recognize that art. I don't know. It's been a very long time since I've opened up anything from that kind of series, if so. Before we do any of that, what we're going to do is actually look in the Elite Trainer box, and we're going to take a look at the Charizard that is actually the promo card in the box. So, the reason why we're doing this is we just want to actually look at the condition of it. A lot of people are actually submitting those to go through PSA or Beckett, because if you do have like a PSA 10 or a Beckett 10 Pristine or Black Label, then that card does actually have some value at the end of the day. Right now, we're going to start off by actually just giving you the key code for that. So whoever's lucky enough to get that, congratulations. And then here is the Charizard. Okay, so I actually have 2 really good contenders for this right now that I think I would be sending in. And based off of what I can see here, I'm not going to open it. I'm thinking I'm a little shy on this side. So you can see this, I'm looking at the comparison between this depth and there. This one looks slightly thinner than there. That one looks slightly wider than there. So I don't know if this is one that I would potentially get graded, because the whole idea is you want to make sure the card's basically perfect before even considering it. Because I do actually have the back looks fantastic though. Hello? Are you recording me? You found it! Oh, look at me! I look so pretty!
We look like Ken and Barbie.
I'm okay with that. Except Ken never had facial hair. Oh, why do I look cross-eyed? That work? Am I going cross-eyed right now?
There you go.
You look gorgeous. You look like your actual avatar in Disney. Like, this is literally what you
Barbie character.
Like, my eyes just go abnormally large, and it's even poking out the one side. What's
What I
happening?
look like is Barbie in Toy Story.
Yeah, you're gorgeous. This is too funny. I thought mine was gonna be like,
oh god.
I have lipstick. Are you recording me? Well, we're gonna start off with Vivid Voltage, I think, and then what we'll do is we'll do the other packs, and then we'll finish up with the Champion's Path. I'm still awaiting that Rainbow Charizard, still have yet to get it, and fingers crossed we do today. So if I'm not mistaken, we actually have 24 Vivid Voltage. I actually put some singles in there as well, and let's get started. Let's see what we can get. First pack is a Celebi. All right. Start off for electric. Just start off. Center that. So we're looking for amazing rares, and that isn't it. And a Charizard right off the bat. No way. Okay, and this is the, like, if you're gonna get any one non-holographic, you're gonna want the Charizard. And centering looks nearly, I'd say perfect, but this side looks slightly wider. Cool. All right, first, right off the bat we get a Charizard, nothing wrong with that. So Champion's Path is just good. Right off the bat. Alright, Leaf Energy. Rock Helm. Alright, and okay, that's the one we don't want to see. We want to see those amazing rares, Rainbow, arts, and then there's also the Gigantamax Pikachu, which is this one, but also in a rainbow rare. Secret rare. Rainbow secret rare. I had not pulled one yet, so that's gonna be pretty exciting. Hopefully today. Duckface, Nessa, Eevee. Yeah. Ooh, okay. We're getting those hollows. We're getting those hollows. Nice. Hope everybody's doing well today. Having a great day. Always nice opening up Pokemon cards. I think we're alright. Oh. See, there you go. Like I said, it's just like, I'm gonna eat you. Ah. Verse. Okay. And Clefable. Okay. Okay, Metagross and Whale Lord. Alright, well we got the holo at least, and we got the reverse holo too of a star rare. Come on, Pikachu. Fire Energy. Not the set I want to see it on. Guys, I just got Rayquaza. This is the only one I don't have. Yes! Yes! Oh my goodness, yes! And Vaporeon, get out of here! Rayquaza! Yes! Oh my goodness, if you guys don't know, I absolutely in love with these this style of card, the amazing rares. As you can see, it almost looks like spray paint around the edges that bleeds out in the holographic. Rayquaza, yes! I was waiting for this. Okay, I believe I have completed all of these now. And it looks so nice. I love the white background because it's normal, but like it just bleeds perfectly into it with all of the background in the holo too. Oh my goodness, you got to be kidding me. Oh no, there's a little nick in the top corner there. Why? Right there. Why? Oh man. That's super unfortunate. These aren't like the crazy valued cards, but at the same time, like, you obviously want any card to be perfect. Yes! Guys, like, these are the cards that I look for in these packs, and I finally got the Rayquaza, and I think I finally completed the amazing rares for this. That is incredible. I am super happy about that. Yes! So now, basically, I'm seeking out rainbows, I believe, secret rares, and also the Gigantamax Pikachu. Still have yet to get that. It's so pretty. I am still just stoked about the other one. Rayquaza. Still jazzed about that Rayquaza, but hopefully we can get some more. Vivid Voltage, always coming to play the game, you know? Moo cheese. Charmander. Reverse all of it, and okay, alright. Not what we wanted, but it is a holo, which is nice. Always prefer the holos rather than the non-holos. Have yet to get a full art though. That would be nice to come across. Let's get a full art. Maybe a secret rare. Yes. Ooh, there we go. We got a full art. There we go. Togekiss. There we go. There we go. There we go. How many more times can I say it? Awesome. There we go. First full art of Vivid Voltage. Way too many times. Ooh. Explode. Nope. Not what we want. Not what we want. Alright, Fire Energy starting us off. Not looking too good on the rare pulls. On top. Hey, look at that. And, okay, the evolution. There we go. Dreadnought. Last Vivid Voltage. Pikachu, I choose you. Amazing Rares, I also choose you. You can come out of these packs as well. Ooh. Open that the wrong way. Amazing Rare. No Amazing Rare and Snorlax Holo for the last card. Honestly, that was a really, really bad Vivid Voltage set. I'm a little disappointed in that. But I got my Rayquaza, and that's all I could have really hoped for. And I am super happy about that because it is beautiful. And actually, Rayquaza is like one of my favorite Pokemon too. I played a lot of Ruby and Sapphire, and then Emerald after when those came out as well. Anyway, we're going to be opening up the Darkness Ablaze and also Burning Shadows. We're going to start off with the Burning Shadows. Not 100% sure about any of these cards in these packs, so this will be very interesting. Hopefully we get something cool. That would be hilarious if there was a super rare card that I didn't know about that we got in it. I'm going to assume it's only, you're still doing the 4. Well, I'm wrong. Gyarados right off the bat. Okay, hold What is it, 3 then? So we got well, we got a nice Holo Gyarados. That is awesome. Which I'm pretty sure I do have that card before, so I have opened these packs. Charmeleon, yes. Charmander. I'm curious if is there a Charizard? Oh, and we got that. There we go. Okay, that's the reverse holo. Didn't even know. Alright, well, we got a nice Holo Gyarados, and honestly, that artwork on that Gyarados is freaking wicked. Look at how that looks. Alright, cool. I will never say no to Gyarados. Gyarados is one of the coolest designs in the game, in my opinion. Darkness Ablaze. Let's see what we get, guys. We're looking for a Charizard on this set. I know at least that, but I don't think I know any of the other cards. Okay, reverse holo Surfetched. And Muck non-holo. Don't know what I think about that one. I don't think it's anything good. Alright, well that was a whole lot of poop. Speaking of muck. Alright, so we're going to put this one away, and then we're going to get into our Champion's Path. As we know, I'm still continuing the search for my rainbow Charizard. Secret rare card. It has not came yet. I'll also take more shinies. Let's hope today is the day. It'll make everything that we've already gotten worthwhile. Trash! Hey, full art from Champion's Path right off the bat. That's okay. We will take full art cards any day of the week. Nope. Ooh. Oh man, not what I wanted to see. Letting energy. Nope. Fire energy. Everybody knows. Gets me excited. Ooh. Ooh, fire. Worked for you, but wasn't the one I wanted. Womp womp. 5 more packs. Psychic energy. Start us off. Ooh, nice VMAX card, Gigantamax, La Creme. That is a pretty decent card. I really like the way it looks. It looks super delicious because it is a giant cake. And I would eat that. I would eat that. This Pokemon would be in danger because I would eat it. Cool. Awesome. Nice VMAX. Full art card. Want to see more of those come in the next 4 packs. Another full art, okay. Now they're starting to come through. Another full art on Champion's Path, I like it. I was not expecting it to happen on that one. Just pulling it, I'm like, not feeling it. Not happening. 2 more packs left. All right, everybody. Send me those good vibes. I want it to hit. I want it to hit hard. Second, last pack. Everybody, Gardevoir's the last pack. Let's hope this gives us something. Gives us something we want. Oh, why do I look at it that way? Last pack of the night. Leaf Energy. Got a nice foam. Sharknado coming through. That's it. And Wailord. Nice full art. Not the full art we wanted to see. Well, to be honest with you, Champion's Path started to help us out in the end, because it did give us a few cards that kind of balanced it out a little bit, to be honest, because the beginning was not looking so good with Vivid Voltage. Okay, so besides the rares that we just got that were hollow from Vivid Voltage, those are kind of cool, but other than that, we ended up getting a couple full arts at the end of the Champion's Pass. So we got 3 full art, regular V cards, and then we got the V Max, the Creme, Surfetched, and then also Gyarados from our other cards, and then we also had the Vivid Voltage Togekiss, and this is the winner right here, Rayquaza. We ended up getting Rayquaza right during the middle of it, and this is the winner of today's openings, because this is the last set of the amazing rares that I needed, and I've been really wanting that one, being one of my favorite ones. And then we also did have the non-holographic Charizard, which is pretty cool. So as you can see again, thank you so much for watching today's video. Make sure you hit that like button below, and if you liked what you saw, subscribe to the channel, and we're going to have a bunch more videos of me opening up Pokemon cards coming out very soon. We had some pretty good success today, and hopefully have some more success in our next videos to come. Anyway guys, have a good one, thank you so much, and have a good day.